Yes. So you have yesterday, I mean, in the previous class, I think we have seen what we have seen is working with the set. So in the set, we have seen how to add the elements. So we are talking about some set operations. In the set operations, I said using set, you can perform some mathematical set operations like union. Okay, you can perform some mathematical set operations like union, intersection, difference, and one more is what? Symmetric difference. Okay. So we have seen the operation called union. Okay, there is an operation called union. So we have some more operations. You have some more set operations. So what are the other set operations you have here? So union is there. There are other set operations like intersection. Okay, you can see there is an operation called intersection. So there is an intersection operation. So what this operation is, now written a new set. Okay, written a new set with the elements common to the set and all others. So what it will do is it will return one new set. This will return one new set with the elements common to the set and all others. So that is intersection, right? Okay. Now what exactly it is? So it will return the common. It will return the common elements. For example, there is a set 1 having 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. And there is a set 2 having 20, 10, 20, 30, and 60 and 70. Now here two sets are there. There is a set 1 and there is a set 2. Now what you are doing is you are writing set 3 equal to set 1 dot intersection, set 1 dot intersection, set 2. So what you're writing set 1 dot intersection, set 2. So I try to print set 1. So these are the elements of set 1 and these are the elements of set 2 and these are the elements of set 3. So what set 3 is having 10, 20, 30. So these are the elements which are common, right? So this will return common elements. Okay, intersection return common elements. So that is the 10 and 20 and one more is what? 30. For example, assume that I have a Java set. There is a Java set. Having some set of students doing a Java course. Okay, having students doing the course of Java. So this is a Java set. And there is another set called Python set, and having the students doing which course? Python course. So a set of students doing Python Python course. So what I want to find out is, I want to find the students doing both the courses. I want to find the students doing both the courses, like Java course as well as Python course. I want to find the students who's doing the both the courses, that is Java course as well as what? Python course. So how many students are doing both the courses? Only one student. Who's that here? Suresh. So I'm writing here Java Python set equal to Java set dot intersection Java set intersection Python set. So what will happen if I write Java Python set? So this will return the set having the students doing both the courses, like Java course as well as Python. So here Suresh is doing a Java course, and Suresh also doing which course? Python course. So intersection means it will return which elements? Common elements. Intersection means it returns common elements. Okay. So return a new set with elements common to the set and all others. Common to the set and all others. That is written by which one? Intersection. That is written by intersection. So there is another one which is called as a difference. So what is the difference is here? So written a new set with the elements. Okay, so there is a difference. So difference is there. Written a new set with the elements in the set that are not in others. Written a new set with the elements in the set that are not in what here? Others. So that is nothing but A minus B. So I have a set having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there is a B set having 1, 2, 3, and 6 and 7, and there is a C set equal to A minus, or I can write a difference. What is that? B. So you can see A set, B set, and one more is what? C set. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 1, 2, 3, 6, 7 is what here? 4, 5. So it return elements. See, return a new set with elements in the set that are not in what? Others. Is it 4, 5 is there in B set? No. So it return the difference. Okay. For example, there is a set 1. Now set 1 is having A, B, C, D like this. Some strings are there. Okay. And set 2 is having, so here also you have some strings, A, B, some E, okay, F and G. Two sets are there. So that is a set 1, and one more is what? Set 2. Yeah, you can also use minus operator. Set 3 equal to set 1 minus set 2. So you can see set 1, okay, set 2 and set 3. Now you can see this is set 1 and set 2, and this is set 3. Now there is no B in set 2, and there is no D in what here? Set 2. There is no B in set 2, and there is no D in what here? Set 2. Okay. Now this you can call it as a difference. For example, so you can use even minus operator. This is A dot B. I said A difference B. You said B difference A. I said A difference B. A difference B is A minus B is 4, 5 is not there here, right? You said B difference A, no? 6, 7 is not there here. What to choose means you want A minus B or B minus A. A minus B is not equal to B minus A man sits in the sets. A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Array, what here? Array, A minus B is not equal to B minus A. I'm telling you, no. This is sets here. Array, you return the new set with the elements in the set that are not in others. So 4, 5 is not there here. A minus B means. Then what is the problem? What is your doubt? What is the meaning of order? Order means the sets on which you apply. Yes. So on sets, you are finding difference. Depending on that, it will do it. Yes. Okay. So depending on that, it will do it. Okay. Okay. Suppose there is an operation belongs to difference. There's a difference here. So there is a difference. So difference is there. Okay. So the difference is set with all the elements from the set that are not in other iterable. And you're also using an operator called minus. And this is a task which is given. This is in Hackers Rank. Now, students of district college have a subscription to English and French newspapers. You have to read this problem definition. Students of district college have a subscription to English and French newspapers. Some students have subscribed to only the English newspaper. Some have subscribed to only French newspaper, and some have subscribed to both the newspapers. So some students have subscribed to only English newspaper, and some have subscribed to only the French newspaper, and some have subscribed to what? Both the newspapers. Now you are given two set of students' roll numbers. One set has subscribed to English newspaper, and one set has subscribed to what? French newspaper. Now your task is to find your task is to find the total number of students who have subscribed to only English newspaper. If you do English minus French, if you do English minus French, if you do English minus French, you'll get only The students who have subscribed to which newspaper? English newspaper. So input format is the first line contains the number of students who have subscribed to the English newspaper. The second line contains a space separated list of student roll numbers who have subscribed to the English newspaper. And the third line contains the number of students who have subscribed to the French newspaper. The fourth line contains the space separated list of roll numbers who have subscribed to the French newspaper. So this is the input. Suppose 9. 9 means this is English newspaper students. And 9 means again, these are French newspaper students. And you have to display what here total number of students who have subscribed to the English newspaper. So output is 4. The roll number of students who have only the English newspaper subscription 4579. So you can see 4579 is not there here. 4579 is not there. So hence the total number of students are how many here? 4. How many students having subscription of only English newspaper? 4. So your task is first you have to read number of subscriptions of English newspaper. So I'm saying m equal to integer of input. So this is nothing but number of English newspaper subscriptions. And you have to read. Okay, this is English. I'm saying English equal to I use set of map integer comma input dot split. So you have to input all the values in the same line, and you have to read how many values here? M values. So on Saturday I explain this. Then n equal to integer of input. Okay, reading everything in one line. This is, and then French. This is French newspaper. This is a French newspaper. Yes. So equal to set of map integer of input dot split. Input dot split. You are trying to split it this, and you are reading how many values and values. Then after that, you are trying to print length of English minus. You are saying English minus French. So length means you will get total number of elements. What is the length here? Total number of elements. So print length of English minus what? French. So just run the code here. Okay. So after that, submit the code, right? Okay, so first you read the value of M. Then after that, read the values of which set, English set. And then you read the value of N. And after that, you read the elements of which set, French set. Then after that, you are saying length of English minus French. Length of English minus French. So this is a problem definition, and this is a problem solution. So you'll get this technical. In technical, you get this kind of problems. In technical, you get this kind of problems. Now you have to provide solutions for that. Okay, right. The next one is symmetric difference is there. Okay, symmetric difference is there. So the next method is symmetric difference. Next method is symmetric difference. You can also use this operator. You can also use this operator called pipe. So return a new set with the elements in either the set or other, but not both. So it will return the elements from set 1 as well as set 2, but not in both. Okay, it means it will return the unique elements exist in set 1 and set 2, but not exist in what here both. Okay, not exist in what here both. Okay, right now symmetric difference means this is called as a symmetric difference. Okay, return a new set with the elements in either the set or other, but not both. So it will return the elements from set 1 and set 2, but not exist in both the sets. Okay. Okay, not exist in the both the sets. Okay, anyway, A set is there. This is A set and this is B set. Okay, 6 and 7. This is okay, C set where A dot, I'm saying symmetric difference. Okay, symmetric difference. I'm saying symmetric difference. Okay, symmetric difference with set here, B set, and this is a set, and this is a B set, and this is a C set. Now you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is A set, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7 is a B set, and 4, 5, 6, 7 is what? C set. 4, 5, 6, 7. So it will return the elements which are not exist in both the sets, not common to both the sets. See, 1, 2, 3 is there in A set, and 1, 2, 3 is there in what? B set. But 4, 5, and 6, 7 is not there. So it is written that. Okay. So we'll try to see the same problem in that symmetric difference. What is the question asked there? Okay, if you see this symmetric difference, so symmetric difference is there. So yeah, now this is symmetric difference. What is this symmetric difference? What is the problem here? Okay, that also we'll see. This is a symmetric difference. Just now we did this. So there is a symmetric difference is there. Okay. So this is a symmetric difference. Symmetric difference operator returns a set with all elements that are in the set and iterable but not both. Sometimes this cap operator is used in place of what here symmetric difference tool, but it only operates on the set of elements in the set. The set is immutable to the symmetric difference operation. Okay. Your task is now students of district college have subscriptions to English. Students of district college have subscriptions to what here English and French newspapers. Students of district college have subscriptions to English and French newspapers again. Now some students have subscribed to only English and some students have subscribed only to what? French. And some have subscribed to both the newspapers. Okay. Some students are subscribed to only English and some students are subscribed to what? Only French. But there are some students who have subscribed for English as well as what? French. Now you are given two sets of student roll numbers. One set has subscribed to English newspaper and one set has subscribed to the French newspaper. Your task is to find the total number of students. Your task is to find the total number of students who have subscribed to either English or the French newspaper, but not both. You have to count the total number of students who have subscriptions to English or French, but not both. Okay. English or French, but not both. Not both. Okay. Now I have to take only the English subscriptions and French subscriptions, but not the students having what? Both the subscriptions. In that case, you'll go for what? Symmetric difference. So this is the input format. If you see this input format, the first line contains the number of students who have subscribed to the English newspaper. The second line contains a space separated list of student roll numbers who have subscribed to what? The English newspaper. And the third line contains a number of students who have subscribed to the French newspaper. The fourth line contains the space separated list of student roll numbers who have subscribed to the French newspaper. So the first line contains the number of students who have subscribed to which newspaper? English newspaper. And you have to input, and this is like this. Output the total number of students who have subscription to the English or the French newspaper, but not both. Output total number of students who have subscription to the English or French newspaper, but not both. So there is a 9. 9 is what? English students, and here 9 is what? French students. 9 is what here? English students. Input in one line. 9, and this is also input one line. If you see this, now you can see 8 is there. 8 is subscription for English as well as French, and 6 is also for English as well as French, and 3 is for English and French, and 2 is for English and French, and 1 is also there in English and French, but remaining all are unique. Okay, only having one subscription, that is English or French. You can see 4, 5, 7, 9, 10, 11, 21 and 55. As the total number of students are how many here? 8. Okay. So first what you have to do is you have to read English, the number of English subscriptions, m equal to integer of input. This is number of his subscriptions, English subscriptions. Then you have to read this many English. So I'm saying English equal to set of, again, map of integer comma input dot split. And you have to read how many values here? M values. So here I use slicing. Then n equal to integer of input. Okay. Then you have to read this many number of French subscriptions. Set of map of integer comma input. dot split. So you're trying to split at space and you are trying to read how many values? N values. Then print length of English dot symmetric difference. English dot symmetric difference. What is that? French. Okay. So I run the code. Okay. Now test cases are done and then submit the code. Okay. Yes. So understand the problem definition and then solve it. Understand the problem definition. What is the problem is given. Based on that, you have to provide the solution. Okay, now you can do this symmetric difference by using this operator also. What is that operator? Cap symbol. Okay, suppose assume that there is a set 1 having 1, 2, 3, and there is a set 2 having 1 and 5 and 8, and there is a set 3 having some 5, okay, 5, 3 and 9, 5, 3, 9. Okay, so I have a 3 sets. Okay, yes. You just refer Saturday notes, Raghu. Saturday, I'll say that. What is a map? What is a split? Okay, Saturday notes. Just refer that. Okay, because I said on the Saturday, how to read multiple values. So here I have a 2 sets. One is a set 1, and there is one more set also there, that is set 2, and there is one more set which is called as set 3. Set 1 is there and set 2 is there, and one more is what? Set 3 is there, and set 4 equal to set 1, set 4 equal to set 1. What syntax is that? Symmetric difference. That's all. English dot symmetric difference. Yes. This is slicing. Slicing it is. Saturday I said this. On Saturday, I explained this. Refer that. Refer Saturday notes. Refer Saturday notes. How to read more than one value using input function. Saturday notes. Refer Saturday notes. Okay. This is what I said on Saturday. Refer this. How to read multiple values. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now, if I'm writing here S1, S4 equal to S1, symmetric difference S2, symmetric difference S3. S1 symmetric difference S2, symmetric difference S3. Now tell me, what is the output of S4? What is S4 value? 1, 2, 3, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 2, 3. Tell me, what is the output of this? 2, 8, 9. 2, 8, 9 or 2, 8? 2, 8, 9 or 2, 8? 2, 8, 9. Okay. Is it 2, 8, 9 or not? Yes. Yes. You can see 2, 8, and 9. Okay. So 1, 2, 3 is symmetric difference. 1, 5, 8 is what? Okay. And what it returns here? 2, 3. Oh, 2, 5, and 8. Okay. Yes. So this will return 2, 3. Oh, sorry. Yeah, 2, 3, 5, 8. And then 5 and 3 is gone. Now 2, 8, and one more is what? 9. Yes. 2, 8, 9. Yes. So these are difference, I mean, set operations. Okay, these are set operations. So that is union, intersection, difference, and one more is what? Symmetric difference. Now you can also do this by doing updation. So there is update methods. There is update methods here. The following table lists operations available for the set that do not apply to immutable instances. Okay, it means these are mutable operations. Using add, I can add only one element. Then how can I add more than one element using update? So it is just like a union. Update is just like a union, but union will return one new set, but update will perform the union operation by doing which operation? Update. So this is adding more than one. If you want to remove more than one element, you can go for what is that? Intersection update, or sorry, difference update. Suppose if you want to remove more than one element, you can use difference update. What will happen? Update the set, removing elements found in what? Others. Okay, but see, there is intersection, difference, symmetric difference. Operations are same, but only doing which operation here? Update operation. Means after doing intersection, the changes are done in the set. It will not return new set. What intersection will do? It will return the new set. But what intersection update will do? It will do the changes in what? Same set. If I'm saying set 1 dot intersection update set to 2. If I'm saying set 1 dot intersection update what? Set to 2. If I'm saying set 1 dot intersection update set to 2. After doing intersection, the result will be stored in what? Set 1. If I'm saying set 1 dot difference update set 2, after doing the difference, the result will be updated in what? Set 1. It is just like A equal to A plus B. A equal to A plus B means after adding, which one is updated? A value is updated. Like that. Set 1 equal to set 1 minus set 2. This is similar to set 1 equal to set 1 minus set 2. After doing difference, where the result is stored in set 1, where the result is stored in set 1. So these are update operations. These are update operations. It means you are doing set operations by applying which one? Update. You are doing set operation, but by applying which one? Update. You are doing a set operation. You are doing a set operations, but using which one? Update. Now, if you say update, so update the set, adding elements from all others. Update the set, adding all the elements from all others. What is the meaning of this is set 1 is there. Okay, set 1 is there with some 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Set 2 with some 60, 70, 80. Okay, now if I'm saying set 3 equal to set 1 dot union. Okay, union set 2. So what union will do? It will return the elements from set 1 as well as what? Set 2. But where it will return that result in set 3. So if you print set 1, this is set 1, set 2, and this is set 3. Now set 1 is having 10 to 50. Okay, set 2 is having 70, 60, 80. And set 3 is having all the elements from set 1 as well as what? Set 2. But if I'm writing set 1 dot, here I cannot do any assignment. Set 1 dot update. I'm writing update set 2. So what will it do? It will add all the elements of set 2 into what? Set 1. It will add, so here update the set adding all elements of, update the set adding elements from what? All others. So whatever elements are there in set 2, it will add that in what? Set 1. Means is it doing union or not? Yes. It is doing union operation, but it is not returning the result into the new set, but the result is updated in what? Set 1. If you see set 1, this is set 1. So set 1 is updated by adding all the elements of what? Set 2. Set 1 is updated by adding all the elements from what? Set 2. Now what set 2 is having 80, 60 and what? 70. Okay. By adding all the elements from set 2. So these are update operations, same only, but it is trying to update it. So the changes will be done in the same set. Okay. So intersection update, update the set keeping only elements found in both the sets. Update the set, update the set, update the set, keeping only elements found in both the sets. Update the set keeping only element found in both the sets. Update the set keeping only elements found in both the sets. So intersection update. So update the set keeping only elements found in it and all others. Okay. So it is doing intersection operation, but it is trying to do the updation. But see, it can be done. For example, have a, yes, have some, suppose assume that I have some list of items. Items are courses. So Python, okay, Java, okay, Python, Java, and there's a language called R. Python, Java, R, and there is a B set having C sharp.NET. Okay, having C sharp.NET. If you take this C sharp.NET and having UI, okay, UI technologies, and having which one? Some Django. Okay, having Django. Right now, these are two sets. One is a set and one more is what here? B set. Two sets are there. One is A set and one more is what? B set. One is a set, one is a set, and one more is what? B set. Now I want to perform which operation? Okay, I want to perform which operation? Update. I want to update all the courses of B into what here? A. Okay, I want to update. B set values I want to add into which values? A set. Then A dot update B. Now you can see this is a set. So it is updated all these courses in A set or not? Yes. Okay, update. This is update, right? Adding more than one element. Adding more than one element can be done by using update. Using add, you can able to add how many elements? Only one element. But using update, you can able to add how many elements? More than one element. Okay. Yes. For example, I have a, so mail list is there. Mail set one. So this is a mail set one where I'm saying A at the rate some gmail.com. Okay, B at the rate gmail.com. Okay, C at the rate gmail.com, like this. Now this is a mail set one, and there is another mail set, that is mail set two. There's another mail set, that is mail set two. So where I'm saying C at the rate gmail.com. Okay, there is a F at the rate gmail.com. So there is a K at the rate gmail.com. So I want to return the mails which are common. I mean, I want to update mail set one. What I want to do is I want to update mail set one. I want to update mail set one with mails available in what? Mail set two. Okay, see here. Intersection update. Intersection means it will return Update the set keeping only elements found in both the sets. It will update the set by finding only the elements available in both the sets. So what is the common here? But remaining things are removed, right? Remaining things are what here? Removed. Suppose if I'm writing mail set 1 dot intersection update. If I'm saying intersection update mail set 2, what will happen? It will update the mail set 1 with the intersection of which one? Mail set 2. So what is the mail set 1 contain now? Tell me what mail set 1 contain. How many elements mail set 1 is having? Only one element. And what is that? Only one element. And what is that? c@gmail.com. Yes, c@gmail.com. c@gmail.com. So it means set 1 is updated. Set 1 is updated by doing which operation? Intersection operation on which one? Set 2. Set 1 is updated by doing which operation? Intersection operation on which one? Set 2. So what is the common element? C. What is the common element here? C, right? See, the operation is the same, but only the thing is update. Everything is same, but only the thing is update. Everything is same, but only the thing is doing is update. So there is a difference update. So update the set removing elements found in others. So using remove, I can able to remove how many elements? Only one element. See, using remove, I can able to remove how many elements? Only one element I can remove it. Using remove, I can able to remove how many elements? Only one element. But if you want to remove more than one element, if you want to remove more than one element, you can use what? If you want to remove more than one element, you can use what? Difference update. If you want to remove more than one element, you can use what? Difference update. Suppose, assume that set 1 is there with 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 like this. I have some elements. Okay, I have elements like up to what here? 100. So if I'm saying set 1 dot remove, okay, 10 means it will remove only one element. So from set 1, it is removed how many elements? Only one element. But I want to remove some three elements, like I want to remove 30, I want to remove 80 as well as 100. I want to remove 30, okay, 80 as well as what? 100. Then what I'm doing is I'm saying set 1 dot uh, difference update. I'm using which one? Difference update. So I want to remove 30, I want to remove 30, I want to remove 80, but I have to represent this as another set. So I want to remove 30, I want to remove 80, I want to remove what? 100. I want to remove 30, I want to remove 80, I want to remove what? 100. After doing this difference, now this is a set 1, which is having 70, 40, 50, 20, 90, and 60. Okay, now these are the elements 70, 40, 50, 20, 90, and 70, right? Yes, list also having update method. That update. Now these are set related, right? Difference, intersection, all these are set operations, not list operations, right? All these are set operations. All these are which operations? Set operations. All these are set operations. Okay, now these update methods you can find only in the sets. Okay, these update methods you can find only in the sets. Now there is one more operation you have. No append. No append here. Array. There's no append. There's only add. Set doesn't have any append. Okay, add only add method. But add method will add only one element. But update method add more than one element. Add method will add only one element, but update method will add more than one element. So update the set keeping only element found in either set but not in both. Update the set keeping only the elements found in either set, okay, not in both. 1, 2, 3, 6 and 7. S3 equal to S1 dot. S1 dot. Symmetric difference update. Symmetric difference update S2. So it will keep only the elements. Okay. Oh, print S3. Now you can see S1 dot symmetric difference update S2. So I said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. Oh, not S3 here. Print what is it? S1. You can see 4, 5. What are the elements here? 4, 5, 6, 7. So the elements which are there only in set 1 and set 2 is how many elements are there? 2 elements. One is 4, 5 and one more is what? 6, 7. Because this will not return anything. See, these methods will not return anything. So that's the reason when I print S3, what it is written here? None. Because after updating, is it result is stored in S3? After updating, is it result is stored in S3 or result is updated in S1? Result is updated in S1 or result is updated, result is stored in S3? Result is updated in what? S1, but result is not assigned to what? S3. So that is updation methods, right? That is a updation methods. That is a updation methods here. So these methods will not return any value. Let us see the problems from HackerRank here. Set mutations. So now we can follow the operation to create mutations to the set. Mutations means which can be modified. Update, intersection update, difference update, symmetric difference update. Now here task is given. You are given a set A and n number of other sets. See here, you are given a set A. You are given set A and n number of other sets. This n number of sets have to perform some specific mutation operations on set A. Your task is to execute those operations and print the sum of elements from set A. See here, you are given set A, n number of other sets. Now this is the problem definition. So the problem definition is, see here, you are given a set A, n number of other sets. The n number of sets have to perform some specific which operations, mutation operations on which set? A set. Okay, the first line contains the number of elements in set A, which is nothing but n. You have to read which value? N value. The second line contain the elements of set. So you have to input this many number of elements in what here? Set. How many elements you have to read here? N elements. The third line contains an integer n, the number of other sets. The number of other sets. You can see number of other sets. You can see here. Here it's given. What are number of other sets? 4 sets. And on 4 sets, you are doing how many operations? On 4 sets, you are doing how many operations? 4 different operations. What operations you are doing? Intersection update. Okay, update, symmetric difference update, difference update. Like this, you are doing which operations? Update operations. The next two into n lines are divided into n parts containing 2 lines each. Now each line, okay, the first line of each part contain the space separated entries of the operation. Okay, and yes, operation named name and the length of the other set. The second line of each part contain space separated list of elements in the other set. So you are giving command as well as what? Number of values. Now you are saying intersection update 10. So you are trying to input how many elements here? 10 elements. And you are doing which operation? Intersection update operation on set A. Suppose if I am saying update 2, now you are trying to input 2 elements in the set and you are doing which operation? Update operation on which set? A set. Okay, then symmetric difference update 5. You enter 5 elements and you are doing doing symmetric difference operation on which set? A set. It means on A set, you are doing how many operations? Number of update operations like intersection update, symmetric difference, update, and one more is what? Difference update. Now, first thing what you have to do is you have to read the number of elements in a set, integer of input. So you have to input this many number of elements in which set? A set. A equal to, again you are saying set map, okay, integer comma input dot split, and you're separating the space and you're trying to read how many values? M values. Then after that, you have to read how many operations you want to do it. How many operations you have to do it? N equal to integer of input. So how many operations you want to do it? So I want to do how many operations? 4 operations. So for now, I have to execute how many commands? 4 commands for I in range of n. So in this loop, you have to read the command, you have to read the set and do the operation. You have to read the command. Okay, you have to read the command. So what is the command? Command equal to input. So you are trying to input the command. How you input the command? You are saying update 2. If I say update 2, okay, what is update here? Command, and 2 is the size. What is 2 here? Size. Means you have to read the set with how many elements? 2 elements, and then do which operation? Update operation. Okay, 2 is the size of the set. You should read how many elements here? 2 elements, and then do which operation? Update operation. If it is a difference update, suppose I've entered, okay, difference update, I've entered different update 10. You have to read how many elements here? 10 elements, and then do which operations? Difference update. Okay, so you have to read the set with how many elements? 10 elements. So you are trying to split this. You are trying to split this command into how many parts? 2 parts. Okay, now this is difference update. This is difference update. Okay, difference update. And what is the second one here? 10. Now you have to split this. This command you have to split. Dot split. Where you are trying to split it? Space. Okay, where you are trying to split it? space. Now when you split it, it will return the list with how many values? Two values. Okay, two values. One is a command and one more is the size. One is a command and one more is a size. One is a command and one more is a size. Then you are reading B set. You are reading which set here? B set with so you are saying set of map. Okay, integer comma input dot split you are reading, and you are reading only this many number of values. So integer of command of which one? One. So if command of zero, so when you split it, you'll get two things, right? If command of zero equal to update, you have to perform which operation? Update operation. Update of B, A dot update B. If command of zero equal to difference update, you have to execute which operation? A dot difference update. What is that? B. If command of zero equal to what is that? Update difference update. What is the next one? Intersection update. If the command is intersection update, you are saying A dot intersection update. What is that here? B. If command of zero equal to what is the next one? Symmetric. Okay, symmetric. Okay, symmetric difference. Okay, symmetric difference update. Okay, then A dot symmetric difference update. Okay, B. So finally, you have to display sum. Finally, you have to display sum by saying print sum of A. Finally, you have to print sum, that is sum of A. Yes, we are reading multiple sets, but all these operations you are doing on which set? A set only. All these operations you are doing on which set? A set only. And finally, you have to add all the elements of A set. Finally, you have to add all the elements of A set. Okay. Finally, you have to add all the elements of A set. Okay, print sum of elements of A set. So we'll just see, run the code. Okay. The code is run. Then submit the code here. Yes. The code is also submitted. Okay. See, these kind of problems, they ask you in technical. They ask you in technical, you have to practice this. Okay, you have to practice this. Problems in hackers rank. Try to practice the problems in hackers rank. Because in technical, they ask you this kind of programs and you must aware of it. Okay, you must aware of all these problems. Okay, right. Anyway, tomorrow we'll see more on this, like how to work with the sets. Tomorrow we'll see more on this, how to work with the sets, right? So we'll see, right? We'll see tomorrow, right? We'll stop here today and tomorrow we'll continue, right? Thank you.